Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to talk about these LED flush mount pod lights that I got for my truck. These are a very bright LED flush mount light that comes with a sealed lens and is waterproof. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot. As you can see here, I cut holes in my bumper to fit these in and wired them in where they work with my reverse lights or with a switch. They're extremely bright, and I love how much they light up behind my truck as I'm backing up. These can be used in ATVs, your truck, your Jeep, any kind of off-road vehicle, lawnmower, whatever you'd like to put them on. Being that they're LEDs, they use very little power, and the bulbs last for a very long time. If you're interested in getting yourself some, click in the link down in the description and pick you up some on Amazon.